Bongo Bazar, the biggest and most popular hawkers shopping district in Bangladesh. On April 4th, 2023, a massive fire burned Bongo Bazar down, and generations of investments from the small shop owners went up in flames. Most shopkeepers increased their stock due to the high demand. They were left with nothing but debt, ashes, and singed fabric. But what if the ashes and burnt articles of clothing could restore these livelihoods? Bidyananda, a charity organization in Bangladesh, presents the Burnt Collection, a collection created from the remnants of the burnt pieces. Their volunteers rushed to the site, purchased burnt articles of clothing, collected the ashes, and repackaged it. Leveraging Bidyananda's Facebook page to launch the collection the same day, and promoting the collection through live sessions, the nation began to buy the burnt clothes from our Facebook page. News channels covered the campaign, and 50+ celebrities came forward and bought these pieces at high prices. Even corporations bought the pieces. The burnt collection was completely sold out. We used the money generated from the sales to let the shop owners set up store before Eid.
বিদ্যানন্দ যা ফান্ড দিছে তখন তো আসলে লক্ষ টাকা না 20 টাকা সমান লাগছে, কারণ তখন তো আসলে আমার কাছে নাই, ওই টাকাটাই তো অনেক টাকা।
মানে আমাদের ঘুরে দাঁড়ানোর জন্য ব্যবসায় ওই সময় আমাদের কাছে অনেক কিছু এটা।
Bidyananda's real-time response restored livelihoods of the people who had lost it all in the fire. Burnt Collection by Bidyananda.